What's up, guys? Larry coming at you once again, your host for Noise Complaint Sessions, and today I have none other than Psychotic Scum. How are you guys?
Awesome.
Good.
Great.
Where are you guys coming from?
Whittier, Poneo, or no,
La Puente,
and Santa Fe Springs.
Santa Fe Springs, right on. And can I have you guys introduce yourselves and what instruments you play?
My name is Bella and I play bass.
Stacia, guitar and backup vocals.
Carry vocals.
Crash drums.
Crash drums, right on. So how did this come together? How does Psychotic Scum, what's the origin story here? What are we working with?
We started it when we were really little, like 11 years old, in 2002. And had many members over the years, and this is the final product.
Right on. How do you guys feel to be a part of the long-awaited dream?
Dude, it's funny how we first met though.
Well, let's go. Let's hear it.
Yeah.
What's the story?
Well, I was pitting and I was fucking drunk at some gig. I tried fucking yanking on her mic while they were playing.
Oh.
And she just pushed me off and I fell. And then like the way I joined is because my friend was like, hey, you want to try out for a band? They need a bassist for a show coming up pretty soon. It was like 4 days away. And I was like, sure, whatever. And when I went to her house, she's like, I remember you from somewhere. Carrie told me that. I was like, oh shit.
Turns out I threw her down and I didn't know her.
That was like years ago.
Right on.
Yeah.
What would be your first fond memory of being with music and playing instruments, or just saying, hey, this is what I want to do?
As kids, we had older influences that played instruments and kind of just stuck with it.
I joined school band, so I got into like that. Into music. Yeah.
She used to actually come to our band practices, and then a couple times before I was the guitarist, and then our singer didn't show up, and she already knew all the words because she would come to all our practices. So we're like, hey, jump on the mic, and then we ended up just keeping her and then kicking the old one out. She's a bitch.
Yep.
And so for the lyrics, who writes the lyrics in the group?
I wrote most of them. She did write one of them that we actually recorded.
Okay.
So you'll hear that a little bit. And then, Valerie also.
I wrote one.
And when you guys are writing, where do you get your motivation for your lyrics? Like, where do they come from? They come from deep down.
You both write lyrics.
Yeah.
Well, that one was all like a conspiracy theory one, but like, yeah, I only wrote one. Like, but hers is probably, I guess, like aggression.
I have a bunch of shit.
Like,
Our songs vary.
Yeah, they're all completely different. Some we wrote in high school about getting drunk and fuck each other up in like a dark room, and then some is like plague, about the Black Plague. It's like totally random. Like sometimes I'll be going through the history books or watching it and I'll just get inspired. Like, holy shit, this is amazing. Why are people? I know it was like a long time ago, but it's still really interesting to me, and I don't know, I just like makes me want to write more. If I'm pissed off at work, then like even on my lunch break I'll write music and stuff, so
That's what's up.
varies totally.
Now, who would you guys say your top 5 artists are?
Oh shit.
We're all very
Like,
different, let's
That's
let you know
that's
that.
a beautiful thing. Let's hear all different diversities here.
You know what? Actually, I like Manu Chao. System of a Down started it all for me.
Me too. Suicidal Tendencies,
Yeah.
S.2 they're more into thrash, and she's into punk too. And we're more into punk. She likes goth shit too, like Marilyn Manson.
I love Marilyn Manson, I don't give a fuck. I love Marilyn Manson.
Nothing wrong
You
with
like
that.
throw it out there?
There's nothing wrong with
Listen to the first album.
I like hardcore, punk rock hardcore from the 80s. So that's where I get a lot of my influence from, the way that I play. Just like all energy. So that's where I get mine.
I like, just like, I like things. Seriously. Like stuff. Dude, I totally had a what the hell? Slayer. How can I forget? Slayer's fucking Slayer. Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah, it's cool.
And the word music, what would you say that means to you if you had to describe it in one word? What is music to you?
Sanity.
Yeah, I think like a form of a therapy, definitely. Yeah.
it's like breathe.
Breathing?
Everything.
Music is life. Everything.
Exactly.
Is there anybody in your life personally that you'd like to thank for where you are right now? Maybe somebody who's pushed you to keep doing what you're doing, even when you felt like, hey,
I think we have a big support group. We're surrounded by all of our friends who support us immensely, and that's great. Like even like when we were in high school playing shows, we still play the same shows and we still see the same people at our shows, and they're the ones still supporting our shit after over 10 years. And so I guess our friends like would be huge benefit to us.
Yeah.
Right on. All right, so something a little more deeper, maybe philosophical, if you would say. What do you think the world is lacking?
Education.
Education.
There's a lot of fucking people. Yeah, so.
I agree.
Consideration.
Empathy. Right on.
I actually just sounds cheesy, but I thought of love.
Alright, well let's pick up the pace a little bit. This is what I like to call my speed round. It's just this or that question. Super simple stuff. Would you rather wear 80s clothes for the rest of your life or
80s.
Yeah.
80s hairstyle?
80s.
Clothes.
Both. I'm saying. Alright, clothes. Would you rather freeze or burn
Freeze.
to death?
Burn.
Freeze.
Freeze.
Right on. Christmas or Thanksgiving?
Oh shit.
Halloween.
Well, my kind of Christmas is a little different, so I'll go with that.
How did your Christmas? What is your
You can
Christmas?
hammer each day.
Yeah.
Either day.
My house is a year-round Halloween,
Oh, okay.
so
Like Labor Day.
all my holidays are Halloween.
That's what's up.
So I like my Christmas.
Would you rather have no phone or no internet?
No phone.
Yeah, no
No
phone.
phone.
You can look up music on the internet.
Okay.
No phone. Pancakes or waffles?
Waffles.
Yeah, waffles.
Cars or trucks?
Trucks.
Cars.
Cars, I guess it depends on the
Gas.
Gas.
Yeah.
Crushed or cubed ice?
Crushed.
Cute.
Crushed.
Right on. Candy corn or actual corn?
Candy corn.
Dude, candy corn.
So big ass target.
Yeah,
Elote.
actually. Elote.
Elote.
Snakes or badgers?
Snake.
Snakes.
Snakes.
Badgers.
Lucky Charms or tricks?
Lucky Charm tricks.
Tricks.
Fuck, I like both.
She's
But
so
Lucky
nervous.
Right on, guys. Well, I'm all out of questions. Is there any place that you would want to inform your fans if they wanted to get more information on you guys?
We're on YouTube, Facebook, Bandcamp. We have Big Cartel too.
Right
The
on.
few pieces of merch on there.
Oh, and then we also sell our merch at the 1920 One Stop Shop in Uptown Whittier.
Oh yeah.
They have some of our merchandise on the walls and everything. So.
That's what's up. All right. I want to thank Psychotic Scum once again for being here today. If you guys would like more information on the bands or Noise Complaint, you can just check out the links below. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you.
Been around for the world, so behind. Stop so steady, then you gotta lose your mind. Hey, what's up, guys? Larry from Noise Complaint here. Thank you for tuning in this week. Be sure to check out next week's episode on Thursday at 2 p.m. featuring Animal Unknown. Hit the thumbs up to like the video and subscribe to our channel. For updates on all things Noise Complaint, visit our website at www.noisecomplaint.co and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check out the links below. Thank you.